Split Rent app. So what is that? So I don't know whether this app is completely legit or so, but yeah, it's getting some traction. So here you can go to rent.app, pretty cool domain. And the idea is that you can just split your rent payments into multiple fractions. So if you don't have the full payment for rent, you can just split it. You need to connect your bank via Play to verify your monthly income and allow a soft credit check. And then you need to have application to determine eligibility. Your landlord does not need to approve your use of split pay. They will pay it in full on your scheduled rent day and will not be aware that you're using split pay. If you're insufficient account, we will make 2 more attempts. After the final attempt, we will inform your landlord and revoke access to split pay. If you would like to discuss alternative, please reach out to the support team. So that's the idea. So for example, how it works. So how much is your rent? So for example, this is your rent. So on the rent day, you pay half, and then 2 weeks later, you have pay half. And that's the idea. And split pay costs $10 plus 1% of your rent. So it will be like $10 and 1% of your rent, which is what, $30. So it will be $40 per month. Additionally, you will pay for this app. So that's the idea in here. That's just how it works. And then you can just download this rent app in here. So rent app, smart rent payments. This is how you can install it on iOS. And yeah, pretty cool idea. Again, it's not that easy. It sounds easy, but basically you need to have some soft credit check and connect your bank account via Play to this. So that's what it is, and that's how you create your account.